A sign on an apartment building, the Millennium Leasing Center. The Millennium High Street. We move over the top of the building with a view of the Houston skyline. A parking garage with a rooftop terrace. Text, minutes to work. Next to River Oaks District Shopping, and the Galleria. A view of high-rise buildings. The rooftop terrace has chaise lounges, chairs and tables with umbrellas, and string lights. Text, walk to Highland Village. An overhead view of the Millennium. At the center of the building, an open courtyard. The sun on the horizon of the Houston skyline. An overhead view of the courtyard. It's lined with palm trees. At the center is a swimming pool. Around the pool are lounge chairs, tables and chairs with umbrellas, and palm trees. Poolside grills and entertainment area. Some of the apartment units have patios and balconies. Text, luxurious amenities. On-site dining. A restaurant sign, Seasons 52, fresh grill. A lobby with wingback chairs and a high ceiling. The interior decor is white and black, with modern art. A conference room with a table and chairs, a screen on the wall. A fitness center and spin studio. A dog washing station. The courtyard illuminated at night. The Millennium Building front and an illuminated fountain.